Welcome all of you. Recently, Coal of India has taken a revolutionary decision, that is of producing sand at very much cheaper price than the current market price. Let's discuss this scheme in detail. Generally, Coal of India Limited is mandated to produce coal and dispatch it to its consumers all over the India. But for a change, first time Coal of India Limited has came up with a initiative of producing sand from its overburden at a very much cheaper price. Now the question is, what is overburden? Let's know it in detail. Overburden is the layer of rock, soil or any ecosystem that lies above the coal seam. Here in the diagram we can clearly see that 20 to 30 meter thick of overburden is lying above the coal seam. To extract coal in open pit mining, we need to remove the overburden first. The overburden is removed by the overburden removal method, which is a very expensive process. After the complete removal of the overburden, the coal is extracted successfully. This overburden is mainly comprised of clay, alluvial sand, and sandstone with very rich silica content. After the coal extraction, the extracted or the excavated overburden are again used for backfilling to reclaim the land to its original shape. This excavation of overburden cause swelling factor of overburden is nearly 20 to 25%. Coal of India Limited is planned to utilize at least 25% of the overburden for sand formation by crushing, sieving and cleaning it. Now the question comes, what the swell factor actually mean? To understand this, let me first give all of you one example. You all might have seen that when we dig a hole and again backfill it, then this particular spot of digging can clearly be noticeable as it slightly rise more than the surroundings area, and this is the swell factor means. When we excavate anything, void or air packet are added to that material so that its volume increases. So swell factor is nothing but the amount of volume increment in the bank volume, means the volume of a matter at its undisturbed state to the volume of material at its disturbed or loose state. This factor is expressed in percentage. So, in case of overburden, the swell factor is 25%. That means those 25% incremental overburden volume is used by Coal of India Limited to produce sand. Coal of India Limited aims to reach at a production level of around 8 million tons of sand within next 5 years by commissioning 15 major sand plants in its different coal produce subsidiaries. By the end of current fiscal, Coal of India Limited envisages to have 9 out of 15 plants within a production of around 3 lakh cubic meter. Very fast step towards the initiative has been taken by Western Coal Limited, which is an subsidiary of Coal India Limited. Under a pilot project, Western Coal Limited produce sand and offer it at a price at 10% of the market price to Nagpur Improvement Trust to construct house under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and this experiment has been succeeded. So that keeping an eye on growing demand, Western Coal Limited launched a commercial production by commissioning the largest sand production plant of the country near Nagpur. This unit produces 2500 cubic meter of sand per day at about half the market price. Let's discuss what is the benefit of this scheme. The first benefit is we all can get better quality sand at very much cheaper price, that is 10 to 50% of market price for construction. The second benefit is this scheme minimize the environmental pollution caused due to riverbed sand mining. And the third benefit is use of overburden has minimized the volume of land that is required for dumping it.